In your textbook, there is description of Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is an example of hot desert covering a large part of North Africa. It is world's largest desert. It has an area of around 8.54 million square kilometer. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. These are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and the Western Sahara. There are also gravel plains and elevated plateaus with bare, rocky surface. These rocky surface may be more than 2,500 meter height at some places. Al Aziza in the Sahara Desert south to the Tripoli and Libya recorded the highest temperature of 57.7 degrees Celsius in 1922. Now, the climate of Sahara. The climate of Sahara Desert is scorching hot and parched dry. It has a short rainy season. The sky is cloudless and clear here. The moisture evaporates faster than it accumulates. They are unbelievably very hot. The temperature during the day may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius, heating up the sand and bare rocks, which in turn radiates heat, making everything around hot. The nights may be freezing cold with temperature nearing 0 degrees. Now the flora and fauna, as you have seen in the pic, that the vegetation in Sahara Desert include cactus, palm and acacia. In some places there are oases. Oases are the lake of water in desert. So the green island with date palm surrounding them, as you have seen in the pic. The camel, hyenas, jackal, foxes, scorpions, and many variety of the snake, lizards, and prominent animals living here. Gleaming glass, seized office, buildings tower over mosque, and superhighways cross the ancient camel path. Trucks are replacing camel. In the salt trade, targes are seen acting as the guide to the foreign tourist. More and more nomadic herdsmen are taking to city life, finding jobs in oil and gas operations. Now the people of Sahara Desert. Bedouins and Turgis are the nomadic tribes rearing livestock such as goat, sheep, camel and horses. These animals provide them milk, hides from which they make leather for better slippers, water bottle. Hair is also used for the mat, carpet, cloth and blanket. They wear happy robes as protection themselves from the dust storm, or we can say hot wind. The oasis in Sahara and the Nile Valley in Egypt supports certain population, as oases are the lack of water. That's why just because of the availability of water, the people grow date and palms. Crops such as rice, wheat, barley, beans are grown here. Egyptian cotton famous worldwide for worldwide. And after the discovery of oil fields, oil is a product in a great demand. That's why petroleum or oil is also known as a black gold throughout the world. In Algeria, Libya, Egypt is constantly transforming Sahara Desert. Other minerals of importance that are found include iron, phosphorus, manganese and uranium. What are the two characteristic features of Sahara Desert? Second question, what are the two types of desert? How many countries are touched by Sahara Desert? Question number 4, name the animals reared by Bedouins and Turgis. Question number 5. Name the countries associated with the discovery of oil. Question number 6. What vegetation is found in Sahara Desert?